Hi, Assalamualaikum. This is teacher Adawiyah. Right, last week we learned about subtracting, meaning minus. Okay, when you subtract, the numbers go backwards. When you subtract, the numbers go smaller. When you subtract, the numbers will go lesser. Okay, it means smaller. Alright, now today we are learning about subtracting with renaming. Last week we learned about without renaming. Okay, just minus normally. Okay, without borrowing. Today we are going to borrow from tens. Okay, we'll go to that later. Now we have a lot of method in subtracting, in minus. Okay, alright, let's take a look at method number 1. 42 minus 3. Easy. If you do this with number line, okay. Okay, like this. Subtracting with renaming. 42 minus 3. Okay, in the Skype before, I've taught you how to label all the number line from the right side. Okay, if it's this kind of question, if it's 42, then you put 42 here, and then you start going backward. 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, and the list go on and on. But okay, since it's just small number, it won't be longer than this. I'm sure of that. Okay, now so we are going to jump. Okay, how many times we're going to jump? 3 times. So 42 minus 3. 42 takes away 3. So you're going to start from 42, and then you're going to jump 3 times, going backwards. 1, 2, and 3. What number does it land on? 39. Okay, so this is how you do it with number line. Okay, I will give you another example. Just now 42 minus 3. Now I will do 24 minus 7. As usual, you're going to start from the right. You're going to put here 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, and the list goes on and on, but I'm sure it won't go longer than that. Alright, now minus 7, so you're going to jump 7 times. Okay, so starting from 24, we're going to go backward 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What number does it land on? 17. So the answer here is 17. Okay, so that one applies for small numbers, like you are going to minus only ones. Okay, not tens, not hundreds, just one. A 2-digit number minus 1-digit number. So this will be easy to do, making number line. Or you can always do with your numbers in your head and numbers on your fingers. Okay, for example, 42 minus 3, you have 42 in your head. Put 42 in your head and 3 in your fingers. So you go backward. 42 in your head, 41, 40, 39. Still the answer will be 39. Okay, that one is much faster than drawing number line. Then you can try to do that. Okay, alright, this book also teach you how to subtract mentally. Okay, mentally means you don't write anything, you just think of another way to minus. Okay, so it says here, from 42 you can split them into 2, 32 and 10, because 32 plus 10 equals 42. 32 and 10. So this 10, when you combine with 3, when you see them together, remember the BFF. What's the missing number if you see 3? What's the missing BFF? The answer is 7. So 7. So take that 7 and you plus with 32. 32 plus 7 equals 39. This will be a bit confusing to some of you. Okay, so just take just split the first number into two, 10 and what? So 10 can be combined with the second number, this one, and then you find the other BFF, which is 7. So 32 plus 7 equals 39. So 32 plus 7, 32 in your head, 7 in your fingers. So 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Okay, so 39. Alright, same thing here. 27 from 32 is using number line as well. So you start from 32 on your right side. 32, jump. Okay, so you're going to find the difference. So 32 minus 27. Okay, so this time don't jump 27 times. You jump until it stops at 27. Okay, how? Let me show you. Okay, now 32 minus 27. Okay, you don't jump until 27 that you have to get the answer. No need to do that. Okay, since 32 minus 27 in a broken 100 square, okay, a broken square, they're just near to each other. Okay, 32, 31, 30, 28, 27. So how many jumps do you think will arrive until 27? Okay, we'll see about that. So 32 minus 27, the mission, the goal is to find the other one. Okay, the answer. So, alright, so 32 until 27. We're going to stop until 27. 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27. Alright, now we're going to count how many jumps does it make. So 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5. So how many jumps? 5 backward jumps. So 5 backward jumps. The answer will be 5. Okay, we'll see. We can check the answer by turning the question like this. 32 minus 5. Will it get 27 or not? Okay, now let me show you. Okay, as I told you, this 3 goes together. This 3, okay, we already know the answer is 27. How? Okay, so 32 minus 5, it will be the same thing. So 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, and the list goes on, just like the first method. Okay, and then we jump 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number does it land on? 27. Okay, that's how you check. Right? So remember, you can do number line when 2 digits minus 2 digits when they are closer to each other. If it's 32 minus 11, that will be a bit hard because 32 is a bit far from 11, but 27 is nearer to 32. You can do this style. Okay, all right, now let's move on to the next method. All right, next one, number 3, method number 3 up there. Subtract 28 from 53. So which one is the bigger one? 53 is bigger than 28. So you have to do 53 minus 28. That's how subtraction works. So this one is using the vertical method. Okay, they organize like this. Vertical, okay? Vertical. So 53 minus 28. This is what I call as borrowing. Okay, let me show you. Okay, as I mentioned, subtraction is about you take away numbers from bigger number. See, this is bigger, this is smaller. So 53 must minus 28, not 28 minus 53. Okay, it's not subtraction anymore. Okay, it can be addition. Okay, now, alright, as usual, every time you see vertical method like this is vertical. Let me spell it down for you. Vertical. Okay, see, Can you see it? Alright, now, okay, when you do vertical, you should always start with ones. This is ones. This is tens. Okay? Alright, so we'll start with ones first. Let me divide so you can see better. Alright, 3 minus 8. How on earth are you going to minus small minus big numbers? Cannot. You have to subtract big to small. Cannot. So this is wrong. 3 cannot minus 8. So what do? You borrow 1/10 from 5. 1/10 from 5. You take 10 from here. So 50 minus 10 equals 40. So this one becomes 4. This one, on the other hand, it's already have 10 over here. So you take this 10, you share with 3. So 10 plus 3 is 13. Okay, so it's not 3 anymore, it's 13. So now you can get bigger number than 8. So 13 minus 8, you have 13 in your mind and you have 8 in your fingers. So 8 here. So 13 in your mind, 8 in your fingers. So 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5. So the answer here is 5. Okay, now this 5 is not 5 anymore. It's already 4 because you lend the 10 here to here. So it becomes 4. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. 1 and 2. Take away 2. So what's left? 2. The answer is 25. Okay. Alright. You can turn to another page 66. Now, find the difference between 24 and 50. Same thing, subtract. When you hear difference, it means subtraction. Okay, the difference between 24 and 50. So, big numbers minus small numbers. So, 50 must minus 24. Okay, the first method is using the number line method, where you can just subtract 2 tens and 4 ones. See, 2 tens and 4 ones. 50, 40, 30, and then goes to ones. 20, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26 is the same thing, doing number line. And you can also do the vertical. So vertical method, right? You start with the ones first, and then you go to the tens. So 0, can you minus 4? Nothing. This is nothing minus 4. Can you do it? Cannot. You have to borrow from here. So 5 becomes 4. 0 becomes 10. Now remember the BFF. Always remember your BFF. 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, 5 and 5. Always remember. Now 10 minus 4. What is the BFF of 4? 6. Easy. No need to use finger, use your head. Cannot. No need. So the answer is 6. 4 minus 2. Again, 4 take away 2. The answer is 2. So the answer is 26. Is it the same? Yes, the same one. Okay, I want to show you another trick how to minus. Alright, now we've learned how to. The easiest way is to remember your BFF. 1, 9, 2, 8, 3, 7, 4, 6, 5, 5. 1 with 9, 2 with. Okay, I don't want to repeat the same thing over and over again. Just memorize this. This will make your life better. Alright, now 42 minus 18. 2 cannot minus 8. It has to borrow from 4. This will become 3. You already take 1/10 from 4. So 40 minus 10 equals 30. So this becomes 3. This one become 10. Okay, instead of making it 12, how about you do it upside down? So 8 minus 2. Now 8 minus 2 is 6. 8 minus 2 is 6. What is the BFF of 6? This is 6. The BFF is 4. The answer is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. How do I get 4? Because I remember the BFF. Just 8 minus 2 is 6, right? 8 minus 2 is 6. Now the BFF is 4. Okay, if we do it with our head and with our finger, if this become 12, this become 12, right? 12 minus 8. Now you have 12 in your mind, 8 in your hand. 12 in your mind, 8 in your hand. So we start counting backward. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and 4. The answer is still 4. Okay, so we'll do this again in our Skype this Wednesday. Thank you, everybody. Bye.